See, so far we have completed 4 units with regards to the programming in C paper. Now I am going to take the 5th unit where we are going to discuss files. So in 5th unit, these are all the topic we are going to cover: files and type of files processing. Actually, the type of file processing, there are 2 types. One is a sequential access file and another one is a random access file. So file is one of the concept which used to provide a input for the programming. So you know very well what do you mean by input. The input as a data or nothing but information. It may be a single input or multiple input or more number of n number of input. For example, for your understanding, I may provide the value of a is equal to 10. So using scanf where %d comma ampersand symbol of a, where I can provide a input as a 10 to the a variable through the command line. And also I may provide a more number of input using iteration. For example, here for I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. N is equal to 5 means I may provide a 5 number of input to the a variables. But what will happen, if it is normal variable, the value is going to be updated. If I am going to use integer a of 5, that is array, where I can use 5 number of input with the help of the index. So these are all the way for providing input like single values or more number of values, or single information or more number of information, or otherwise I can say with respect to the programming aspect, single data, input data and multiple input data. But what will happen, while giving like this value I am not able to retrieve, because this value was stored in RAM, random access memory. That is nothing but temporary memory. It's not a permanent memory. So if it is temporary memory and used while doing programming alone, that means after execution the value will be disappear what you given as a input value. But what happened while using file? That is one of the important advantage. File as a place where we can store the data in a permanent memory, because file was there in the secondary memory is nothing but hard disk. So what will happen? What input you want to provide to the programming, that was already created as a file. That file as an input for your programming, and I may do it whatever you want in the programming or in the program. Then what will happen after execution? What you updated the data, that means either insertion or deletion, that was there in the file into the secondary memory. So I can reuse, I can retrieve the data after the programming also. That is one of the advantage of the file. Okay, so I told you that file which we are going to use for the collection of information, n number of information, or I can say vast number of information. So that information we are going to store as a record. So record is nothing but the set of related data items. Record is nothing but set of related data items. For example, for your understanding, I may take the student record. So where I am going to create a information or table of information through the field which you are going to be used. What do you mean by field? Field is nothing but individual data items which you are going to be referred by the record or the particular table. So here the field is nothing but roll number for the student, name for the student, and the marks for the student. So take our class example. There are 35 students in our first year CS student, where I am going to create a record for 35 student, roll number, name, and the mark. That is nothing but single file. That file I may use it as a input for our programming. So while using that record, if I am going to access the data one by one, that is nothing but sequential access file. If I am going to get the data randomly, not from the begin to end. If it is begin to end means that is nothing but sequential file. It is not like start begin to end. I may access any student name, any student roll number which was there in the record. For example, the student may be there in the 5th record. I may directly go there. I can access the 5th record student. That is nothing but random access file. Thank you.